Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your account with Venmo. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, find it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Input your phone number and tap Sign In. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for this code. Enter the verification code into the app. After verifying your phone number, you'll need to create a password. Choose a strong password that you can easily remember. Next, fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Once you've completed the form, tap Next. The app may ask for permission to access your contacts. Grant access if you'd like to find friends on Venmo easily. You will then have the option to set up a profile picture. This step is optional but helps personalize your account. After setting up your profile, you will see the home screen. To activate your account, link your bank account or card. Tap on the menu icon, then select Settings. From here, choose Payment Methods. You can add a bank account or card by following the prompt. Once your payment method is linked, your account is fully activated. You're now ready to start sending and receiving money with Venmo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.